it's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids@147, and I've got a diamond painting in this unboxing for you. So this one has also come from AliExpress, and this one, bear with me, I do have the details sort of near me. This one, oh, here we go. This one took 12 days to get to me, which I think is pretty good, especially considering I also ordered at the end of the AliExpress sale. So of course any other orders would have been shipped first. Now, it does come in this packaging that I don't like, but let's see if the diamond painting is still fit for purpose, should we say. It's not the best way to ship these. I do find they end up with creases that aren't required and were probably not there when shipped. But this one, you know, it looks to have a few, but it's not awful. So let's get this opened up, and as I'm opening it up, I'm having a look at the back. So there are some creases on the back, but at the moment I am not seeing any bubbles. Okay, so the seller is redeemed straight off. I'm not seeing any bubbles. So yes, there are some creases, but there are not any bubbles in the back where it's puckered up, which means anything else I can fix. Now, their contact paper, or you know, their double-sided tape paper, is one piece. Does anybody else think this could end badly? Let's see. So there are a few rivers in the painting. Oh, see, look, there we go. Should have known. Don't go any more than halfway. Okay, so I've managed to save it. So let's see if we can get this flattened out a bit. So there are rivers in the glue where it's creased. However, because I know that there is no puckers on the back, I know that these will come out. And you can do a repair job on these. Quite often, I actually do them while I'm doing the diamond painting. But this is a lot of blues. Okay, so the symbols are all looking really, really clear, and we will have a closer look at those in a minute. I just want to see how much I can get this flattened out. Now, it is a big one. It is a 50 by 50, which is why I don't think it's fitting fully under my camera view. I try and get a very big camera view, but my craft room is not big enough. Oh, I did this side without damaging it. All the better. Okay, there we go. So as soon as I pulled that back, all of a sudden you could tell where I got to the point that I'd done it before. So yeah, the symbols are looking very clear, and I say I will do a zoom for you. But that's the painting flat, at least. And we do have an inventory sheet. So let's just have a look at the toolkit first. We do have the white boat, which to me is one step up from the green boat, because it has the spout. We have a white boat, we have a little plate of wax, we have a clear pen with what looks like a 9 or a 10 placer on the end and a single placer on the other end, and we have your basic tweezers. So all in all, I class that as a medium range toolkit, which I think is pretty good. And then let me get in here, and I'll pull out the inventory sheet to show you. Oh, and we get some baggies. So we do get some baggies as well. And this is the painting. So this is going to be for my front room. So it is a lily, a water lily. And we have 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34 colours. So we have 34 colours in this. And looking at the inventory sheet, these are the symbols. They look to be all sort of keyboard symbols. And they do use white on black as well as black on top of the colour. So before we get into the inventory, let me pull back a corner of this and show you what it looks like on the canvas. Now, some of them are a little bit dark, but I still think I'll be able to see them. They're still quite clear to see. You can see the little rivers, but I'll just chop them out as I'm working on them. But they're nice symbols. So I thought I was going to get to the end of that before my battery on my camera died, but obviously not. So yeah, I do think that, you know, the symbols are pretty clear. The W, which is up the top here, could possibly have been in white and been seen a little bit easier, but it's still visible. Still visible. I've got no, you know, this is not making me think I never want to order from this company again. I do think they could improve the packaging, but apart from that. But let me just cut through one of these bubbles and check that it does flatten down. So what I normally do is I just lightly run the craft knife up and then across the glue to give the air somewhere to escape. And then I just flatten it down. Now I do now keep a smaller craft knife, one of those little cheap ones, in my toolkit, but that's flattened it down enough to put diamonds on it that they won't pop up. So the glue is flat, even though there was that little river. So I sort of do that repair now as I go along. My main thing is, are there any puckers on the back? And in this case, the answer is no. So that works for me. So let's have a look at the diamonds. So, we have a lot of diamonds. They are packaged quite nicely actually, so I like this. So they're sort of done in strips. Are they done? Oh, they might even be in colour order. Oh, I like this as well. 310. That's the only packet. Woo! Bonus. So they are in some sort of order. There is, of course, the odd pack that's floating about because there's less of it. Oh, there we go. So 310 and 318. 501. And then, so we have quite a few here that are sort of loose because we do only need one bag of them. But the ones that we need a lot of seem to be in roughly the right order. Oh, and that's also good. So one of the colours here that I'm pulling out that there is a lot of is colour DMC colour 926. Now that, in my other unboxing that I did of the really big fortune tree, that was also one of the main colours, and that's good because they're both sort of going in my front room. While one's round and one's square, I do like the idea that they are the same tone of the teal colour. So let's see. Oh yeah, because all those, here we go, here's a few more loose ones that are the beginning numbers, and there's a few that are a bit later on. So let's see if we keep those big ones there. Let's start doing the inventory because I think it might help. So 160 we need 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, bob on. 168 we also need 9, and that's exactly the same height, so we know that's right as well. 310, 1, 318, 1, 501, 6, Oh, now 501. Oh, we do have 6, so we have a loose bag. 535. So is this one in a loose bag? There it is. 535, 1. 612. 612, 1. 613, 1. 642, 1. 643. We have that. 645, 1. 646 and 647. And also 648. So we've got shading, but shading using the DMC numbers by the looks of it as well. Then we've got 7392, 8195. So these are very much in order. 8223, 8281. And then 926, 19. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. Exactly how many we should have for that one. And then 927, which is in this roll, we should have 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and we do. And then we've got 931. Wow. I'm trying not to lose these other ones off the side of the table, and I definitely don't want to muddle them up because... Okay, so this is the one we have the most of, and this one we need to have 31. So, oh, that's actually 2. Here we go. So, 931. 31 of them. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 31. Bob on. 932, which is this one, we need 29 of. So let's find an end with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 4, 6. Hang on, I think that's me. I was trying to pull it up from pulling on the edge of the canvas and making a noise. So let's see if I can do that again. Right, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27. 28, 29. There was 2 loose. Okay, 3022, we have 1. 3072, we should have 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and we do. 3752, we should have 4. 3752, we have 4. And 3753, we should have 3, which we do. 3756, we need 5. 2, 4, 5. And then 3756, is it? 3768, we should have 21. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 21. 3770, we should have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with a few stowaways in that one. 37822. 3799 is 1. 3808, this is another colour I like. We should have 17 of these. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. 3862, 1. And 3865, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Inventory all present and correct, so absolutely fantastic. We have all the colours we are supposed to have, and I like the way that was packaged. That made inventory very easy, and I'm now going to muck it all up. So let's check out the canvas size and see if they are true to size, and then I'll give you the details of this from AliExpress. So I'm just going to go from the print area. The actual drill area is just over 49.5 centimetres. I'm happy them saying that's 50 by 50. And going down, it is actually bob on 50, if not just over, a couple of mils over 50. So 50 centimetres, just to confirm, is just under 20 inches for anybody watching that uses that system. So very happy with the canvas, very happy with the size. Packaging on the canvas itself, you know, can cause damage, but not damage that isn't fixable. So that's awesome. So to give you details of this one, oh, I do have 2 stray diamonds, so I may have to be careful when putting that away, just in case I've managed to split a bag. So that's my details of when I ordered it and when it arrived, but this is from the Kamy store on AliExpress. So it cost the grand sum of £12.90, and it's from Kamy Handmade Craft Store. So for the price for a 50 by 50, I was very impressed with that price. I do think for this size of painting, that was a bargain. It was about £10 cheaper than the same one on Evermoment. Evermoment is divine, and I do have an Evermoment to unbox. However, in this instance, I thought I would try out another store for such a price difference. So yeah, I'll pop the link in the comments below, in the description below. As per usual, if I forget, give me a prompt and I'll put the link down there. But might take me a little bit to start this one because I'm on my big fortune tree at the moment. But any of these diamond paintings that I've been unboxing over the last couple of days, or since the fortune tree, are the only ones I have in my stash. I don't have any others in a backlog. They've all been done. So I'm sure I will get to them soon enough, or if I need a break from my fortune tree, then I might pick up this one because it's a square. But yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the symbols, even though some of them are black on dark colours. I can still see them, I can still see what they are, and I think the light pad will make it pop even more. And I think that's going to be quite a cute little painting. We'll see what it's like when it's done. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, and you'll get notified of any new videos, and then you can keep an eye out for this one being reviewed when it's finished, if that's something you want to see. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.